Imagine a military robot that can refuel in just 3 minutes, haul a staggering 2-ton payload, and do it all without emitting a single puff of combat-related pollution. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, meet Hermione, a hydrogen-powered unmanned ground vehicle, UGV, that's turning heads and challenging assumptions about the future of warfare. But here's where it gets controversial. Can a machine designed for destruction truly be considered sustainable? Developed by the Polish firm P.H.U. Lechmar and the French company H2X-Defense, Hermione is more than just a technological marvel. It's a bold statement about the intersection of military might and environmental responsibility. Unveiled at the International Defense Industry Exhibition MSPO in Kielce, Poland, this UGV is designed to operate for up to 20 hours on a single refuel, thanks to its hydrogen propulsion system. And this is the part most people miss. Its modular design allows it to adapt to a variety of roles, from logistics support to reconnaissance, making it a versatile asset on the battlefield. But let's dive deeper into what makes Hermione a game-changer, and why it might just spark a heated debate about the ethics of green warfare. A new era in military technology. The MSPO exhibition wasn't just another trade show. It was the stage for Hermione's debut as a technology demonstrator. With a payload capacity of 661 pounds and future iterations promising to handle up to 2 tons, this UGV is no lightweight. Equipped with advanced sensor packages and remote-controlled weapon stations, Hermione is poised to redefine flexibility and adaptability in modern military operations. But what's truly revolutionary is its hydrogen-powered core, which not only reduces emissions, but also offers rapid refueling capabilities. In just 3 minutes, Hermione can be back in action, a feature that could significantly enhance operational efficiency. However, this raises a provocative question. If military operations become more sustainable, does that make them more acceptable? Or does it simply mask the inherent destructiveness of war with a veneer of environmental responsibility? Built for flexibility and endurance, Hermione's modular design is the key to its versatility. Whether it's carrying drones, supplying troops, or conducting reconnaissance, this UGV can adapt to the task at hand. Its all-wheel drive and top speed of 24 miles per hour ensure it can navigate challenging terrains with ease. Measuring 11 feet in length, 6 feet in width, and 4.6 feet in height, with a ground clearance of nearly 12 inches, Hermione is both robust and agile. Despite its capabilities, it remains relatively lightweight at around 1,543 pounds, striking a perfect balance between power and maneuverability. Here's a thought to ponder. As military technology becomes more adaptable, does it also become more dangerous? After all, a tool that can be used for multiple purposes can just as easily be misused. Hydrogen power, the heart of the innovation. At the core of Hermione's innovation is its hydrogen propulsion system, which uses P.H.U.certified cylinders to store hydrogen and power 8 hub-mounted electric motors. Each motor delivers 8 kilowatts, ensuring efficient operation. A 25 kilowatt-hour battery pack complements the system, allowing Hermione to maintain missions for up to 20 hours. The refueling process is remarkably quick, taking just 3 minutes to fill the hydrogen tanks. Alternatively, the hydrogen cylinder can be swapped in the field, minimizing downtime. This rapid refueling capability is a game-changer for military operations that require quick turnaround times. However, the reliance on hydrogen also raises questions about infrastructure and supply chains. Will the military need to invest heavily in hydrogen production and distribution? And what are the environmental implications of scaling up hydrogen technology for defense purposes? Expanding the hydrogen ecosystem. Hermione isn't alone in the push for hydrogen-powered military technology. H2X-Defense also showcased the G15-050 field generator, a hydrogen-based system designed to support mobile operations. Available in configurations ranging from 20 to 40 kilowatts, This generator provides essential power for unmanned platforms like Hermione. The integration of hydrogen systems into military applications highlights a broader trend within the defense industry towards sustainable energy solutions. But this shift also brings challenges. How will existing military infrastructure adapt to these new technologies? And what happens if hydrogen becomes a strategic resource, potentially leading to new geopolitical tensions? The future of military innovation. As Hermione takes center stage, it forces us to confront important questions about the future of military technology and the role of sustainable energy in defense strategies. Will the integration of hydrogen power truly make military operations more environmentally friendly, or is it just a PR move? And as other countries develop similar technologies, what new innovations and conflicts might arise? The collaboration between European defense companies like P.H.U, Lechmar and H2X-Defense demonstrates the potential of hydrogen energy to transform both civilian and military sectors. But it also underscores the need for a broader conversation about the ethics of green warfare. After all, if we can make war more sustainable, should we? What do you think? Is Hermione a step in the right direction, or does it raise more questions than it answers? Let us know in the comments below. The future of military innovation is being written today, and your voice could be part of the conversation.